This is Lucy Smith, Professional Development Facilitator at the Center for Technology and School Change. I'm going to show you how to create a screencast using Zoom. So the first thing you need to do is from your Zoom app or from the Zoom embedded in the web, you just want to start a new meeting. You're not going to invite anyone to this meeting. This is just going to allow you to record your screen and have access to your entire screen for the screencast. Once you've started your meeting, you're going to hover over the bottom and you're going to click the Share Screen button in green, and then choose Screen and click Share. So the green line around the outside shows me that I'm now sharing my whole screen. If I was not already recording a directional video, I could unclick the Start Video button and I would be able to embed a webcam of myself within this Zoom recording. Because I'm using something else to record this video, I can't do both at the same time, but that's how you would do that. When you're ready to start recording, you're going to click over to More and then choose Record on this computer. You can also record to the cloud if you want to save your video to your Zoom account. We would recommend recording on this computer as it will give you a file that you can then upload to Google Drive or have access to and link to in the future. So I'm going to click Record on this computer. The green line disappears and I see up top this red dot that's blinking. That's showing me that I am recording everything I'm doing on my screen. So maybe I want to show someone what to do in their Zoom settings. I would scroll around to give my directions, and then if I'm ready to pause, I go back up to More and click Pause Recording. The green line back around the outside shows me I'm not recording. If there's more I need to add, I just need to go back up top and click Resume Recording. But whenever I'm done, I just need to click Stop Recording. So I'm going to click that now. I now can end my sharing of my screen, so I'm going to click Stop Share. And then I just need to end my meeting to have access to the video. So I'm going to click End Meeting, and I'm going to click End Meeting for all. The Zoom will then convert the meeting recording into a file that I can view, and I will be able to play that video back and check it out. So this Zoom_0 is my video. I'm going to want to rename it something that I can recognize and that indicates what I've recorded. And then I'll be ready to go. I can upload this file to Google Drive or I can just have access to it on my computer. That is how you use Zoom to create a screencast.